This isn't just another course, it's an initiation. Before you get started on this course, I want to talk about how this is structured and how to get the most out of it. Each of the 7 keys of attainment is broken down into 2 lessons. One that explores the shadow side of the key, and one that explores the transformation of the key, of how to move forward with it. You're not just watching this course, you're actively working through each key. Every lesson includes a variety of a teaching segment, a ritual, a deep work challenge, and magic to do on your own at the end of the class that lingers in your soul long after the video ends. To get the most out of this course, do the grounding and centering meditation that's included in these videos. It prepares your energy for deep transformation and sets you up in a protected space. We have also included a workbook for you to follow along with. This workbook includes prompts, exercises, and full instructions for your ritual and your magic. And it's okay to stop and start the video as needed. Stop it, do the work, and then come back. The point of the 7 keys of attainment is to actually do the work. And the way we structured the lessons is so you can stop the video, do the work, and then come back. Don't just listen. Transformation happens when you engage. The way we've structured the classes is you can rewatch as needed. Each lesson is designed to meet you at new levels of growth, so revisit them when you're ready to go deeper. Also, we have community support. You're not doing this alone. The 7 Keys of Attainment has a Patreon community where we will continue the conversation. I will be checking into the Patreon community often, so I want to hear about your experiences. I want to listen to your questions, and I want to grow together with you. Don't forget, this is your work, your initiation, and your transformation. The more you put in, the more you will get out of it. Are you ready? Let's begin. I will meet you at the introduction video.